Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Jelly Incubator machine in Grow a Garden Roblox at the Bizzy Bee event update. So basically, this is a brand new machine that called Jelly Incubator, and its main functions is to apply a jelly variant to your seeds by using royal jelly. And let me show you how it works. You just need to place a seed into the machine. You can choose any seeds that you want. For example, maybe I want to choose my candy carrot seed like this. Just use your ordinary seeds like this, and then next just tap on submit, and then like this. Just keep in mind the rare seeds that you want to turn into a jelly mutations. The more royal jelly it will cost. In here, I want to turn my seed, and it will cost 25 royal jelly. So make sure you have enough royal jelly, and then just tap on start, and then just tap on start again. And the time process can change depending on the rarity of the seeds like this. In here, I just need to wait 4 minutes like this. So just wait until the process finish, and you will receive your seed with the jelly mutations applied. And that's basically how you use the Jelly Incubator machine in Grow a Garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.